Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and I know I've been missing in action for a long time, but first I was on vacation, and now then when I arrived from vacation I get sick, and I was sick for a week, but now I'm here and I decide to make simple card until I get all my ideas together and in order. This card, I just stamped this little girl, and I didn't stamp completely. As you see, she's missing the bottom part of her body, and I color in this paper that is from Arches. It's a drawing paper, and it's kind of beige or ecru color. It's very absorbent, but it makes the copy markers look a little bit like watercolors. They look very cool. I love the way it look. I'm going to start, I think, using more of this paper. The only down thing is that the color, and sometimes when I try some of the colors, they change in the paper. The only thing I didn't color with the copy markers was the t-shirt that I wanted in white, and I go color with my color pencils. After that, I'm going to cut a lot of letters, as you see here, and I cut we can say the important ones in color and the other ones in black, and I put a black background in the color letters. And using this, I saw this in Tuesday morning, very good price, and I bought it, and it's a laser that made since like laser to go since tray, and I think it's very cool because most of the time when I glue stuff, I think I have a eye that it is like going up and one going down because I always glue stuff like a little bit crooked. But I hope this little gadget will help me to glue things more straight. As you see here, I'm gluing all the letters, helping me with this laser thing. And when I finish gluing this, I'm going to do what I like most for my letters, that is putting the glitter, the Match Pop. Oh, before I'm going to cut all around. I just want like the shape of the letters and stuff in here, and then I'm going to do the Mod Podge glue, and the glossy accents. I was trying to think what color go better, or the blue or the pink. When I'm seeing the video, I think I should go for the blue, but I went for the pink because I was thinking it's a little girl, maybe for a girl birthday or something like that, and then I choose all pink, 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 pink. And in the last part of the video, you will see I will add some hearts that I made out of Fimo. I didn't make them, just bought them this way. They are very cool, and they come in white, red, and pink. And you will see that I do the letters in with the Mod Podge and the glossy accents. Well, thank you for watching my videos. I know this is very fast and simple card, but I hope you like them. Bye. Thank you.